It's music theory. Online, let's learn some theory. Online, by watching modules. Online, with music theory. Online.
Hi everyone. We're going to move on to our second module in the Junior Theory course and learn about accidentals, the double sharp, the double flat, and a little more about the natural. Remember, you can watch this module as many times as it takes for you to totally understand about the double sharp and about the double flat. Now off we go. The first accidental we're going to look at today is called the double sharp. As you know, a sharp raises a note by one chromatic semitone or half step. The double sharp raises a note by two chromatic semitones or half steps. We write the double sharp as an X. Remember that the double sharp is also chromatic, which means that it must have the same letter name as the note that precedes it. As you can see, we have G double sharp. While we call this G double sharp, we would actually play this note on A. In this example, A and G double sharp are enharmonic. Double sharps are always enharmonic to other notes. Our first note in the bass clef is C. That's a nice easy one to find. C sharp is one semitone higher and is found on the black key. C double sharp is two semitones above C and is the enharmonic twin to D. The next example is F. Of course, F is on the white key. When we raise F by one semitone, it becomes F sharp, and it's the black key above F. F double sharp is two semitones above F and is enharmonic to G. Let's see if we can discover what the enharmonic name for these double sharps are. Our first note is D double sharp. The first step would be to find D sharp and then go up one more semitone or half step. Here's D sharp and here's D double sharp. So the enharmonic name for D double sharp is E. Let's go up two semitones from G double sharp. Our first semitone brings us to G sharp, and then the next half step will bring us to A. The enharmonic name for G double sharp is A. The third example is B double sharp. When we go up a semitone to B sharp, we realize that the enharmonic name for B sharp is C. We're not done yet though. We still have one more half step to go up. When we go up that half step or semitone, we discover that B double sharp is also C sharp. Our last example is F double sharp. First, let's go up one half step to F sharp. Then we'll go up one more half step to F double sharp. F double sharp's enharmonic twin is G. Guess what the double flat does? It lowers a note by two chromatic semitones. There's no special symbol for the double flat. We simply write two flats in front of the note. Remember, chromatic semitones have a common letter name. That means that the double flat must also have the same note name. In this example, we have C double flat. So we know that from C to C flat is one semitone. From C flat down to C double flat would bring you to B flat. So B flat and C double flat are enharmonic twins. Let's look at some double flats here. Our first note is F, which of course we know is on the white key. F flat is the enharmonic twin of E. F double flat is the enharmonic twin of E flat or D sharp. In the next example we have B. B flat is on the black key, no problem. To find B double flat, we need to go down one more semitone. The enharmonic twin of B double flat is A. I hope you understand and see why it's so important to be comfortable with semitones and enharmonic twins. We use them all the time in our music. Let's find the enharmonic twins to these double flats. Our first example is F double flat. Let's start on F, go down a half step to F flat, then down another half step to F double flat. The enharmonic twin of F double flat is E flat. Now we'll start on G to discover G double flat's enharmonic twin. We'll move from G to G flat and then down to G double flat. G double flat's enharmonic twin is F. Next we have C double flat. We'll begin on C, then move down a half step to C flat, and then down to C double flat. Another name for C double flat would be B flat. The last example in this line is D double flat. We'll start on D, then D flat, then down to D double flat and discover that D double flat is the enharmonic twin of C. Let's take a minute for you to do the examples on the second line. In the second line you'll have both double sharps and double flats to identify. Use the keyboard at the top of the slide to help you find your semitones or half steps. Just pause this module while you find the answers. E double flat is the enharmonic twin of D. See how we went from E to E flat to E double flat. F double sharp is the enharmonic twin of G. We'll begin on F, move a half step up to F sharp, and then another half step up to F double sharp. The enharmonic twin of A double flat is G. From A, we'll move down a semitone to A flat, then down another semitone to A double flat. In the last example, the enharmonic twin of C double sharp is D. From C, we move up a semitone to C sharp, then another semitone up to C double sharp. I hope you did well with this line. There's more examples of this in your homework for this week. If you have any questions, just get in touch with me because I'm here to help you every step of the way. I know you're familiar with the natural. The natural is used to cancel out any accidental, sharps, flats, double sharps, and double flats. If you want to cancel a double sharp or a double flat, you only need to write one natural. If you want to move from a double sharp to a sharp, you would only need to write the sharp. You wouldn't have to cancel the double sharp. That also applies to the double flat. That's what it means when it says natural signs do not pre-cancel a double flat or double sharp. Use only the necessary accidentals. Cautionary accidentals are ones that are added just as a gentle reminder. You don't want to do that. Let's look at the treatment of the accidentals in this line. In the first measure we see B double flat. The second B has a natural sign in front of the flat. This is written incorrectly because the natural should not be written there. The second measure is correct though. The third measure is incorrect because the natural is not necessary, and by putting brackets around it, it becomes a cautionary accidentals, and we never use cautionary accidentals. These same rules apply for the double sharp. Let's just review what we've covered in this module. A double sharp raises a note by 2 half steps, and a double flat lowers it by 2 half steps. A natural cancels out any accidentals. Be careful though to use the accidentals correctly and only add the necessary accidentals. We've come to the end of our second module in the Junior Theory course. What's nice is you already understood about sharps and flats and naturals, so in this module we've just expanded our sharps and flats and naturals in a way that will make sense to you. Remember, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Please make sure you complete your theory assignments and come to Theory Club where you can ask all kinds of questions. In the meantime, you can always contact me if you need help. I hope you have a super duper week. Bye now.
It's music theory. Online, let's learn some theory. Online, by watching modules online with music theory online.